probably wondering what this is. Well, this is my little hack of how to make burgers for one. Ground beef, you can buy a bulk of it when it's on sale. But then what do you do with all of it? It changes color, you can't eat it fast enough. You also don't want to eat beef 5 days in a row. So I'm gonna show you how to make a little hack. First, I'm gonna make myself a little snack while I talk you through it. Burger for one, snap it off, cook straight from frozen. So let it hang out there, and this can go back into the freezer. So how did, so how did I get from that? He's so angry. That's what happens when you cook from frozen. Okay, so I just got some ground beef here. I'm going to season it first so I know that when I'm ready to eat it, I can just snap it off. I don't have to really think about anything else. So I'm just gonna add some red onion, some garlic, spice this up with some yellow curry, some salt, and some pepper. Then I'm gonna mix it all up. So I love doing this technique, and I tell all my friends about it because this ground meat really changes color really quick because it oxidizes. It's totally normal. So now that it's mixed, 2 points. I'm gonna have a zip top bag. I'm just gonna unroll it. Another great little hack that I do for zip tops, because I don't wanna get all dirty, is roll the top. This also works really well if you're trying to like put chicken in there or any kind of like steak marinade. Add the meat in. Not time to flip yet. Add all of it. Great. Then you are going to flatten this out, like so. You can also do this, or you can take a sheet tray, squish it down, make sure it's even. That's the key. You want to have as little air pockets as possible. I'm going to show you how to vacuum seal it. I do the air quotes because it's not a real vacuum seal, but it's a nice one to have when you're in a pinch or you just don't want to commit to another piece of machine in your kitchen. Flip him. So what you do is take water. When you're dealing with meat, make sure you do cold water. You don't want to have hot water. It might change your temperature. If you're going to put it in the freezer, food temperatures needs to stay cold if you're not going to eat it right away. First, you're going to submerge a little, and then you're going to seal mostly all of it. Have a little pocket, just enough for your finger. And then you are going to push all the air out. And then when you get there, continue to seal. Okay? Vacuum seal, nice and tight.
Why do you want to vacuum seal this?
I love vacuum sealing all the proteins I put in my freezer because I hate freezer burn. Freezer burn takes away, just gives us this like nasty taste. It tastes like freezer. I don't want freezer in my meat. Okay, so now that it's done, we're gonna portion it. We can do this with a long chopstick, a ruler, a skewer, anything long and skinny. You're gonna do this, push it in the middle first, make an indent, like so. If you wanna make sliders, just make them a little smaller, like this. What you're going to do is bend, bend. Ta! 4 patties. And then you would just label what they are and date so you know exactly how fresh it is in your freezer. So also fold it to save room. I'm gonna check out my burger. Ready to go. I think 1 bun is plenty for 1 burger. Okie dokie. Let's give it a taste. No sauce. It has enough flavor. Save time and money, and that is well done. Get it?